Go beneath the surface with Cat Mining Parts and Service. We gauge success by the strength of your bottom line, and together we can determine the difference between good enough and greatness. Because we know what it takes to get the job done. Want proof? Caterpillar offers a range of mining solutions to help you perform in tough applications and lower your total cost of ownership. Tools as dependable as the grit you bring to the table. An upfront investment in products made to meet your strength, penetration, and wear life needs while saving you long-term. Reach your goals with confidence using equipment, parts, and technologies that work together to prevent failure. Behind all of it is an intelligent design. Cat wear parts, maintenance parts, and components work and wear as a system. In this system, repairs and replacements are completed simultaneously, helping you maintain your equipment and your productivity. It's convenient, so you can plan for maintenance, account for downtime, and run round the clock. Built by Caterpillar for Caterpillar, these reliable offerings are backed by a worldwide network of Cat dealers available 24/7 for on-the-spot consultations and on-site support. Consider Cat customer value agreements. Convenience, performance, and confidence CVAs can help you plan for maintenance and secure your business against the unexpected. And with health and condition monitoring at your fingertips, you get clear insights into the day-to-day function of your equipment and job site. You don't leave things to chance. The decision is simple. You choose Caterpillar. We'll help you dig deeper, push further, and work harder. Now let's get going.